currently we are at Pokhara, Kahun, Dharahara, me and my brother Kushal. So as you can see, there are lots of constructions going on over here, and over there you can see Pokhara International Airport being constructed, and over there there is the domestic international and over there is the domestic airport. So that's not an international airport, but there is a big international airport being constructed over there, and it's being said that it will be ready in like 3 or 4 years. Next time that I come here in Nepal, I can directly land in Pokhara International Airport rather than going to Kathmandu and again coming to Pokhara, which takes like 2 days from your trip, because you need to stay a night in Kathmandu, or you can take a plane from Kathmandu to Pokhara as well. We can also see Santi Stupa over there, which is the white pagoda, right, Krishna? So it's the world peace pagoda. So it's the world peace pagoda, which is over there. We can rarely see it because of the mist and maybe because of the pollution. Even though the day is clear, it's not that very clean. It's my first time that I have been here, even though I was born and raised here in Pokhara. So we need to get tickets to go inside that Dharahara, and the ticket cost 20 rupees. You can buy ticket from that restaurant over there. I think the ticket is for maintenance of this Dharahara. We can see 360-degree view from this place, like mountains and Pokhara city. Let's go inside and check it out what we can see from inside. So it seems like the stairs are a bit steep like that of Dharahara in Kathmandu.
प्रयत्न श्रेष्ठ आथे Someone over here loves I love you Assis forever together. I miss you a lot. I think this wall so that they stay together forever.